Hey y'all, Cookin Savvy here. Let's talk savvy fall chores for a minute. There are a few things about fall that I absolutely dread, like raking leaves, pruning bushes, and getting rid of those dying flowers. But what I hate most of all is trying to think of supper after doing all those chores. Well, what if I told you there was a way that your grill would do all your cooking for you while you're doing all that working? This grilled chicken butt recipe will do just that. Heat your grill to 350 degrees, then cut potatoes, carrots, and Brussels sprouts into bite-sized pieces. Drizzle with oil and mix garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. Rub the chicken down with softened butter, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt, and place some of those veggies at the bottom of a bundt pan. Place the chicken on top of the chimney or the tube of the pan, then fill the pan with the remaining veggies. Place the pan over indirect heat and grill for about an hour and a half, or until the chicken's internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. How easy is that? Now that's what I call a savvy way to do chore day. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin Savvy.